Our commitment must be to advance the frontiers of knowledge, understanding, and creativity, and to produce graduates trained and inspired to make great contributions as if the world depended upon it, for it surely does.
Pedro has arthrogryposis, which is a condition where two or more major joints don't have very good mobility from birth on. He simply doesn't have a lot of mobility in his joint. A power chair isn't an option for him because they're very, very big, they're very, very heavy.
When I first got here, people had to push me around the whole time because I couldn't move the wheelchair by myself.
So I very vividly remember the day that the project changed. We didn't really think that we were going to be able to do it. We were like, when does this end? When does Rice say that this can't be done? Because at that point, we didn't think it could be done. And Dr. Satterbeck says, you guys are the last hope. So if you guys can't do it, then we tell Pedro that he doesn't get a wheelchair. Just all right, this is it. Failure is not an option. We have to do, anything and whatever it takes and learn everything we have to do to get this kid a wheelchair because we just can't fail him.
The biggest challenge with Pedro is that he can't pull his muscles back. He can't retract his arms. So we really had to go through and find a way that he could, use a wheelchair. And, the rowing motion we have is great, and then pulling it back. It has a lot of problems with it, but we faced them all.
We've gotten to work with a lot of different people. Reed is an art history major, so we've spanned everywhere from engineering to even the art side of campus.
I think I came to the school with this in mind. In a very abstract sense, I wanted to be around something that I thought would be different than I would get going to a place perhaps more curtailed towards my particular interests. And I wanted to be around this type of environment where I would be pushed in different directions. It's been a real gift.
Nice.